This video will show you how to use MyCBE PowerSchool to access reporting information for students in 10 to 12. If your or your child's school has opted to use PowerSchool as a tool for communicating reporting information, you can access reporting period comments and indicators through the MyCBE PowerSchool portal at the end of each reporting period. There is not a downloadable version of the report card available through MyCBE PowerSchool portal. The same reporting information that is found on a printed report card is presented in a web format that requires navigation between courses. Students and families are encouraged to use the MyCBE PowerSchool portal rather than the PowerSchool app to access reporting information. The app currently does not include some of the information that can be accessed through the MyCBE PowerSchool portal. Step 1. Go to the MyCBE PowerSchool portal sign-in page. You can access this page from the public website or your school website by clicking on the link here. Step 2. Enter your username and password. Note, there are also instructions on this sign-in page for how to create an account for logging into the MyCBE PowerSchool portal. The default landing page provides information about attendance. Step 3. Click on the Assignments and Grades tab. Step 4. The Assignments and Grades page will list all courses in which you or your child is enrolled. There is a column for each reporting term. Note, term labeling will depend on the duration of the course, as shown in the chart on the screen. Step 5. Click on the hyperlinked term grade, or lowercase I, for the appropriate term of a course to view reporting information. If new information does not appear on the screen, scroll down. The reporting comment for the course is displayed in the teacher comment section. The term grade is also seen here if grades have been released. Step 7. Scroll down to view information about assignments. This information will only be available if your or your child's school has opted to use PowerSchool as a tool for ongoing communication. Step 8. Scroll back up the page to go through the same steps to see reporting information in another course. Note, the Stems or Outcomes tab at the top of the MyCBE PowerSchool portal allows you to view term grades for each program of study outcome in the course. This information is only available if your or your child's school has opted to use PowerSchool as a tool to support outcomes-based assessment. This video has shown you how to use MyCBE PowerSchool to access reporting information for students in 10 to 12.